Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. Got another hard reset for you. Today we're going to do a hard reset on a TCL 20 Pro. If you have one of these and you have a pattern or a password and you forgot what it is and you have to do a hard reset, I'll show you how to do that. Just a reminder, when you do a hard reset, you will delete all the data off the phone. So if you have anything important on here, it's going to get deleted. And guys, if you haven't yet subscribed, you have a ton more of these hard resets and teardowns coming up, and we would appreciate that. Otherwise, let's jump into this. First thing we're going to do is make sure the phone's off, and it is. You have your volume up, volume down, power, and your action button right there. And for the hard reset, we want to hold the volume up and power at the same time. So start off by holding volume up first, then the power button. And then when the TCL logo comes up, you can let go of the power button but hold volume up. From here, we want to use the volume buttons to scroll, power button to select, and we want to scroll down to wipe data factory reset. Hopefully you guys can see that the phone does have a little bit of a curve to it. Hit the power button to confirm, confirm again. So now it's deleting, now it's done, and you can either reboot or power off, and in this case I'm just going to power it off, and the phone will load to the welcome screen. So this is a really nice phone from TCL. I hope they come out more with some of these more like Pro models. But this is how we do a hard reset on the TCL 20 Pro. If you guys found this helpful, if you could like, share, comment, all that wonderful stuff, we definitely appreciate it. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.